PsycInfo is one of the premier psychological databases in the world, which makes it one of the most highly utilized databases by students, researchers, educators, and practitioners for the discovery of global scholarly research. PsycInfo has more than 4 million bibliographic records and indexes more than 2,500 scholarly journals, 99% of which are peer-reviewed. PsycInfo holds materials from the 1800s to the present. PsycInfo is also always expanding with approximately 4,000 new records added each week. As you advance in your schoolwork and research, it will be more important for you to become more savvy with your research strategies. PsycInfo makes it easy to search for specific document types, research methodologies, such as clinical case reports, empirical studies, and literature reviews, find the appropriate research term through its thesaurus, and much more. Let's actually go to the database and see how it works. You can get to PsycInfo by going to our main library homepage, which is located at library.uhv.edu. Click on the databases icon, sort to P, and then click on PsycInfo. You can either dive right into a search or build a strategic search strategy using PsycInfo's special features. The thesaurus feature can help you discover the correct terms to use to find material on your topic. Let's say I'm interested in PTSD, but I'm not sure if I should use the acronym or the full name of the disorder. Type in PTSD and do a search. It tells me for PTSD, use post-traumatic stress disorder to find the best results. Now that we know what term to use, let's go back to our search. We'll type in post-traumatic stress disorder, and then select our appropriate field. If you don't select a field, it will search for post-traumatic stress disorder anywhere in a record. Let's change ours to subject, so we know that the results we will get will have post-traumatic stress disorder as a focus of the article. Another way you can refine your search is to use the advanced search features below. Here you can refine your search to only include certain publication dates, peer-reviewed articles, select an age group, or a methodology. For our search, I will select adulthood and do a search. Now we are looking at articles that have post-traumatic stress disorder as a subject and a focus on PTSD in adulthood. If you find that you need to refine your search more, just add in keywords up at the top. For example, we could add in veteran. And you can also refine your search on the left side of the page. If you're interested in an article, you can click on the title and it will take you to the PDF of the article. If you would like to see the detailed record for the article, click on Detailed Record in the upper left corner of the page. Here you can see more information like the authors, source, keywords, abstract, impact statement, and more. There are tools on the right side of the page that can help you print, save, and cite the article. If you need help while you conduct your research, remember that the library is here to help you.